Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the camera type and getting the right drivers installed. Plug the camera into the same router or attach the USB cable to the laptop. This creates a clear path for discovery. Once done, open the camera app or OnVIF tool and scan for the device IP because the software needs that address to talk to the camera. Make sure to use an Ethernet cable for stability if wireless seems flaky, and note the default login to change later. Once you have an IP, reserve it in your router or set a static address on the camera. This prevents connection breaks when addresses change. Next, configure the streaming port. 554 for RTSP is common, and enable OnVIF or RTSP so the laptop software can receive video. Then add the camera to your recording app by entering the IP port and credentials because the program needs authenticated access to stream. If you use wireless, position the camera. You finish by testing live view and recording a short clip to confirm stable streaming and correct orientation. Adjust resolution and bitrate to balance quality versus laptop CPU and network bandwidth because higher settings may drop frames. Once satisfied, secure the camera account with a strong password and save configuration backups. If something goes wrong, reboot the camera, laptop, and router, then verify firewall rules and port forwarding. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.